Most traders spend hours watching charts. I wanted to automate the entire process with AI instead. I'm Matthew, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how I built my own AI trading bot from scratch. What you see here is my bot's balance and a complete transaction history covering the last 24 hours. The bot has been trading automatically for nearly 20 hours and has consistently generated profitable transactions every few hours. I gave Claude only one prompt: create a secure, gas-efficient arbitrage bot for Ethereum decentralized exchanges. As a developer, I was genuinely surprised by the quality of the output. This wasn't a prototype or proof of concept. It was a fully developed smart contract, complete with robust architecture, optimized logic, and strong security controls. The bot constantly monitors decentralized exchanges and looks for temporary differences in token pricing. When a profitable opportunity emerges, it executes both transactions within a single atomic operation and captures the spread. What's even better is that the generated code is already production ready. There's no need to spend years learning development when Claude can generate the technical foundation for you. In this video, I'll walk you through every step and show the real-world blockchain results produced by this AI-powered arbitrage system. First, you need a Web3 wallet installed in your browser. I'm using MetaMask, but any Ethereum wallet will work. If you're on a mobile device, make sure you're using the browser inside your wallet app, as your standard browser won't be compatible. Next, go to the online development platform that I've linked in the description. This is where we will handle the compilation and deployment of the contract. Once the page loads, create a new empty file and give it a name. Then paste the contract code into it. Code is completely open source and has detailed comments that explain what each function is designed to do. Check the first line of the file to see which compiler version is required. Go to the compiler tab, choose that exact version, enable the automatic compilation feature, and then click compile. After that's complete, switch over to the deployment tab, select your wallet from the list of environments, connect it, and approve the connection. If the connection was successful, you'll see your wallet address and your current Ethereum balance. This confirms you're ready to proceed. Click deploy and wait for a confirmation message to appear in the console. You'll need to have some Ethereum in your wallet to pay for the transaction fee. And with that, your trading bot is now deployed on the Ethereum network. A simple control panel will appear below the contract information for easy operation. Before you deposit any Ethereum, it's very important to check that the contract's owner address is the same as your wallet address. This is what gives you full control. Copy the new contract's address and send funds to it. The minimum amount required is 1 Ethereum, but I strongly recommend using 2 Ethereum or more. This ensures the bot has enough working capital to be effective and to cover gas fees. If you use less than 1 Ethereum, there's a real risk that gas fees will consume your profits and even your initial deposit. In my main configuration, I operate with 20 Ethereum, which typically earns between 6 and 8 Ethereum per day. For this demonstration, I'll be using 2 Ethereum. The Ethereum has been credited to the contract. Go back to the platform, click the start button, and confirm the transaction. Over the next 24 hours, every arbitrage opportunity the bot capitalizes on will be a real transaction on the blockchain, which you can view and track on Etherscan. There you have it. The bot is now active. "24 hours later, a quick check on Etherscan reveals the final balance. I'm now holding almost 3 Ethereum. The net profit stands at approximately 0.8 Ethereum. The bot performed flawlessly with 0 errors or unexpected issues. To cash out, simply hit withdraw, wait for the block to confirm, and then look at your wallet. All Ethereum is returned instantly. The funds are already back in my wallet. Please keep in mind, this video is for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this should be taken as investment advice. I'm just a hobbyist in crypto, experimenting with my own projects. I'm showing you my work, not advising you. If you want to replicate this experiment, the necessary links are in the description. My Telegram is also there for support. Subscribe, let me know how you do in the comments, and see you soon.